Are you not tired of hearing the same boring ringtones of your phone? I found a crazy way to make any songs from YouTube and TikTok as your phone's ringtone. Choose any song that you want to download as a ringtone of your phone and just download that song from TikTok. Now go to App Store or Play Store and download the application called Garage Ringtone. Now open the application and hit the plus icon and select the video that you downloaded from TikTok. And the cool thing is that you can actually trim the video the way you want. Once you're happy, just save and install the ringtone. Now just enjoy your ringtone. Sexy on the cover. She call me Miss